Sans-Arc Studio has added a playful kitchen extension to a cottage in Torrensville, Australia, which is characterized by white plaster walls, arches, and terrazzo. The project intentionally resists the surrounding building styles, forming its own identity through the use of plaster and arches, it continued. The space feels like an oasis, a bright, Art Deco moment. Prior to the project, the cottage had a good-sized dining room, which Sans-Arc Studio chose to integrate into the Plaster Fun House extension to create a linear open-plan kitchen and dining room. To tie the two spaces together, the studio placed a large, pastel-pink terrazzo breakfast bar at the center, which now forms the heart of the space. The long terrazzo bench is a unique feature that ties the old and new together, providing a focal point for the house and is central to the convivial nature of the space, said the studio.Sans-Arc Studio has teamed the terrazzo unit with duck egg blue kitchen cabinetry and tiles, alongside an abundance of brass detailing, seen on the spherical hanging lights and a bookshelf on one of the walls. To ensure the extension is well lit by natural daylight, Sans-Arc Studio punctured the new east-facing wall with a large arched window and door. Beside them, a curved corner bench doubles as a reading nook, intended to encourage the clients to sit and relax in the sun, while spending time socializing in the space. As part of the Plaster Fun House extension, a utility room was introduced and the home's existing ground floor bathroom was also doubled in size. The brass details and blue tiles that fill the kitchen continue into the bathroom, which is topped by a giant skylight.